Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can download the Spriggy Pocket app. So to do so, first of all, you need to open your browser. I'm going to be using Safari. So once you do that, just type in Spriggy Pocket. Just tap in the second option over here that says Spriggy Australia's #1 pocket money app. Just tap on it. Now right here you can see this option called Get Spriggy. So just tap in. So to download the app, you need to first register your details and then your kids' details and all the other options about where you should send the cards and to confirm the application. So only after that you'll be able to download Spriggy. But if you want a faster method, then you can also use this website called APK Prime. So guys, this only works for Android device. So you can just use this to download Spriggy Pocket app. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.